In this video, we will demonstrate how to create and save custom prompts for repetitive use in JetBrains Rider with the AI assistant. To begin, I have opened the default ASP.NET web application, to which I have made a few changes that introduced some spelling mistakes. A common task for web developers is to proofread any content they add or edit on each web page. To help automate this, we can add a custom prompt. First, right-click and go to AI Actions, then click Add Your Prompts. A settings window will appear. Inside the prompt library section, click the plus sign at the top to create a new prompt. The prompt will allow you to insert variables, but you can leave that option alone since your selection will be added to the prompt automatically. Let's add a new prompt. I will craft a prompt that specifies it should check for typos and grammar. I will also specify how it should respond to ensure the feedback is concise. Ensure that the Show Prompt in AI Actions pop-up is checked, then click Save. To use this, simply select the content you want to proofread and then right-click. Go to AI Actions and click your prompt. The AI assistant will then run the prompt and provide the feedback instantly. Thanks for watching.